Hey winners, shampoo companies are not going to like this video at all because the shampoo or head wash I'm about to share with you today has no harmful carcinogenic compounds, no side effects, and most importantly, it can stop hair fall. If you use it patiently for some time, it can even promote new hair growth and help darken your hair. Dante, just take my word for it, try it yourself, and come back to let me know if it worked for you. In my last video about Trufala, I asked if you wanted a video on this shampoo, and you all left tons of comments. So today I'm sharing the complete process of making it. The responsibility is to share this with everyone so they can improve their hair health and avoid harmful chemicals we put on our hair. The first ingredient you need is Amla powder. You can make this at home or easily find it in the market. I've made a dedicated video on Amla before, and I also talked about it in the Trufala video. By the way, let me know in the comments what benefits you got from the Trufala video, and if you started using it. Amla is rich in vitamin C and has antioxidant properties. It's been used in India for centuries for health and wellness, especially for hair. You'll notice that most hair oil ads on TV mention Amla in some form that effective, so Amla powder is your first ingredient. Next, you need Bhringraj powder. Bhringraj improves blood circulation to the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. It's also antifungal, so it helps with issues like dandruff, itchiness, and inflammation. All the powders I'm mentioning are easily available in your local market. For those who prefer shopping online, I'll include the best buy links in the description or pinned comment so you can check them out. The third ingredient is Reetha powder. Reetha is packed with vitamins D, A, K, and E, and it has antibacterial properties. It contains iron in good amounts, which is essential for new hair growth. Using Reetha prevents dandruff, eliminates dryness, and gently removes dirt, oil, and pollutants from your scalp and hair. Next up is Shikakai powder. India, Shikakai has been used for centuries as a natural hair care product. Its name literally means fruit for hair, and it's considered one of the most beneficial ingredients for hair health. It detangles hair, acts as a natural conditioner to make hair smooth and shiny, and promotes hair growth. The next ingredient is hibiscus powder. Hibiscus is rich in nutrients that soften hair and prevent premature graying. Finally, you need multani mitti. You've probably heard it. It's great for skin. It improves texture and acts as a deep cleanser by removing oil and dust. It does the same for your scalp, controlling oil production and acting as an excellent conditioner. It keeps hair soft, prevents tangling, and balances the scalp's pH, neutralizing any acidic environment that could lead to fungal issues. How to make it? All these ingredients are easily available at your local grocery or herbal store, from small shops to big brands. I'll also drop some reliable online links in the description for your convenience. Here's what you do. Take equal amounts of Amla, Bhringraj, Shikakai, hibiscus, and multani mitti powders, but use double the amount of Reetha powder. For example, if you're using 1 tablespoon of each, use 2 tablespoons of Reetha. If you're mixing in bulk, use a 1:1 to 1:1 to 1:2 ratio. Mix all the powders thoroughly. You can store this mixture in a large airtight container if you want to mix it every time. How to use it? Method 1. Soak and rinse. Take 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of the powder mix and put it in a glass. Add warm water, mix well, and let it soak overnight. The next day, pour the mixture into your bathing mug or a container, add about half a liter of water, and mix again. While washing your hair, slowly pour the mixture over your scalp in a thin stream, gently rubbing it in with soft hands. Keep mixing as you pour. Once you've used all the mixture, gently massage your scalp for a bit, then rinse with fresh water. You might feel like your hair is slightly tangled or has small granules. But as you rinse with fresh water, the texture will improve, and your hair will feel amazing. Mix the powders with a little water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your hair like a regular shampoo. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse with fresh water. Method 3. Hair mask. Make a paste and apply it as a hair mask before bathing. Let it sit for a while, then rinse it off with water while bathing. Why it works? This mixture is so affordable and effective, you'll be amazed at the results. Since I started using it, I've stopped using commercial shampoos entirely. Most shampoos contain sodium lauryl sulfate or similar chemicals that create foam, but can be harsh. This natural mix doesn't foam, but that doesn't affect its cleaning power. It's free of carcinogens and harsh chemicals. In fact, calling it a shampoo is an understatement. It's like medicine for your hair. I guarantee that if you use it regularly with patience, your hair fall will stop, and with consistent use, new hair growth will begin. Just don't give up on it. If you don't want to fully replace your shampoo, use this as a mask once a week. Make a paste, apply it to your hair, leave it for 30 minutes and rinse. Tips for dry scalps. If your hair feels dry after using this, try making the paste with milk or curd instead of water for extra moisture. You can also use natural aloe vera gel from a plant at home. This helps with dryness and dandruff. Additional hair health tips include Amla in your diet in some form raw, as candy maraba or in trifala. Its antioxidants and vitamin C are crucial for hair health. If you missed the trifala video, go watch it. It's a must. If you're experiencing excessive hair fall, it could be due to a copper deficiency. Drink water stored in a copper vessel or use copper-infused water. If you want a video on how to do this, let me know in the comments. Don't just believe me, try this powder, use it, and share your results in the comments. Sharing this knowledge doesn't just save money, it protects people from harmful chemicals. Stay tuned for more videos like this. My next video will be about a natural toothpaste that can whiten yellow teeth and improve oral health 100%. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and check out my Amla and Trifala videos linked on the side. Keep following, keep learning, and take a little time for your health.